I really wanted to add this part in because eyelashes are still not my strong suit, but they do make like a world of difference. Like, this is what they look like. This is just what they're gonna look like for now. Ooh. Hi. So today is Tuesday. I have like stuff all over again, like this eyeliner stuff, but yeah. Anyways, I look a lot more put together today, which is one of the many things that I wanted to try and fix about my life. So, welcome back to episode 2 of Bettering My Life, where I try to fix everything that is wrong with my life. So yes, I actually do have makeup on. It's not really the best. Like I've done better, but I honestly got fed up with these lashes, because I really suck at putting eyelashes on. But for now, it works. But I just got back from the park, so that was fun. I really wanted to just put this little clip in here because at the park I found this cute little caterpillar. I named him Jorge. He is now my child and he loves to dance, as you just saw. Now, we just, head back to your regularly scheduled programming. Yes. I did work today, but we went to the park because it was really nice out. So I consider today to be actually a good day because I put myself together and went out. I didn't stay inside, so that was cool. I don't really know what else to do. My room definitely needs cleaned, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do that because I actually have tomorrow off work, so I can spend the whole day just like organizing everything. Because let me show you. As you can see, this right now, this is my makeup table and it is just a complete mess, like a mess. And then we've got my room, all of that's dirty laundry. Got this, we got a bed that needs made, like it needs to be cleaned, but I think I've done enough for today that I am willing to do. Like, my willpower is just not there since I got home from the park, so yeah. I also just wanted to put this in here because the sun is like really pretty right now, so like I can't really look over there that much because the sun is like in my eyes, but like this is like great lighting. Now you're also seeing me going down my steps because you know what? I decided I could at least just put my clothes in the washer instead of waiting for tomorrow for that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just talk about how I literally just found a Chipotle napkin in my dirty clothes basket. That is literally how much of a mess my life is. So I'll probably have like this segment and then tomorrow's segment in the same video. So I think what I'm going to do, instead of doing daily episodes, I'll have episodes where it's like 2 or 3 days at a time, like just depending on what gets done. But yeah, so hopefully you'll enjoy that, and that's all I have to say for now. So I will see you guys tomorrow whenever I wake up. I really don't know what my hair is doing, but yeah. So it's Wednesday. It is like 4 p.m. I actually ended up going to sleep early last night, around like 9:30ish, but I ended up waking up and then staying up till like 6 a.m. So I didn't wake up till like 2 p.m. today. But we are still going to be productive. So the main thing I want to get done today is my vanity area, which is just cleaning it off, making it look nice again, because there is stuff everywhere on it, as you saw yesterday. So I'm gonna do a little speed up time lapse thing of me cleaning this off. So yeah. New angle, but the recording stopped after about 10 minutes of me doing this, but I'll show you what I have. Pretty much everything is cleared off finally. There's still a few organizing things that I need to get done, but for now it's fine. So here we have the cleaned off desk. Now right here is like scrapbooking and like art stuff that I need to find a place for. So for right now, that's just gonna stay there. This little thing, I need to get a new makeup organizer because not all of my makeup fits in that, and it's just a mess. But for now, this is what we have. We have a clean desk to use. Most of my like eyeshadows and stuff, like palettes, are in that little basket, and then everything else is in the little bin down below. So yeah, it's definitely looks better than it did before. So I think that's all I'm going to have for today. I do have to work tomorrow, so I don't know what's gonna go on, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, so it is now Sunday, May 31st. I didn't record anything for the past few days just because nothing has really happened. However, I did take a bath today, so +1 for me. But yeah, so far it's been going okay. I've been really sore lately. I think there's something wrong with my sciatic nerve, but we'll find all that out when I'm actually able to go to a doctor after all this Rona stuff is over with. Anyways, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this episode of me trying to fix my life. If you have any suggestions or any other types of videos that you want to see, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of when I upload my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!